Hi guys, welcome to today's video. For today's video, I was really inspired to do the eyeshadow palette tag that Allie, Glines, and Samantha March did. So the credit of this tag video goes to them. I really enjoyed both of their videos actually, and I kind of really wanted to do a video of my own. I did add, I think, 5 or 6 questions of my own, but yeah, let's get into it. Okay, first question is all-time favorite eyeshadow palette. Would have to be this one, the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Now, this was the one that actually had the names under each shadow. Okay, so yeah, since this palette has the names under each eyeshadow palette, or eyeshadow, it didn't come with the name card, so I just made my own because I thought that was a really good idea to have like the eyeshadow name card. So I just, like I said, made my own. Okay. Question 2, new favorite palette. So this is my first product from Flower Beauty, and I absolutely love it. This is the Petal Play eyeshadow quad. This is the Gilded Lily one, and the shadows in it are amazing. I absolutely love it. Like, I'm wearing this one today, and it's amazing. And this one actually for a shadow liner, and just amazing. I definitely would use this for an everyday look. It's great. Okay. To keep in the memories. So for this eyeshadow palette, or for this question, I was really trying to think of like what was one of the palettes that I really enjoyed. So this is actually, there's another question that I have in here that I made. This is probably one of my oldest palettes that I own. This is the Too Faced I Want Candy eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love it. I don't know if they sell it anymore. I mean, it was amazing. I used it a lot. You can tell that I really liked it because a lot of shadows I hit pan on. I really liked Pastry and Cream Puff. They were the two really great crease shades that I use, or transition shades that I used all the time. It was so pretty. And I kind of liked Hot Chocolate for that, shadow liner. I'm still wanting to use this palette a lot. I mean, I do still use it. I'm getting more into Taupe Berry, and Raspberry Cocoa. I loved Sweet Toffee. That was so pretty. And this one. And Butterscotch. Ooh. And Sparkling Cider. That was I think Sparkling Cider was my favorite in the palette. Next question. Underrated eyeshadow palette. We have this one. So this is the Makeup Obsession Be the Game Changer eyeshadow palette. I haven't seen a lot of videos on this eyeshadow palette here on YouTube. I love it. It's great for every day and good for like evening makeup as well. Like let's see, Metal was amazing. I love Metal. Change, Zinger, Cinnamon. Wow was my favorite in this palette, actually. Coach is a good transition shade. Score is also, and I love Simple just for that like all over skin tone shade. That one is really, really great. Okay, next question. Not favorite, but can't get rid of. Would have to be the Naked, or Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. I think I got this for my birthday. I think it was my 21st birthday. I can't remember. And, I mean, the shadows in here were great. It's just, I'm not into the purples, I guess. But, I mean, from, like, here to here, from here to here I would probably use, but these I would never use. But I think I'm still gonna keep it, just because of the first 7 shades, because I really like the first 7. Didn't expect to love eyeshadow palette. So the Haus Laboratories Glam Room 1 eyeshadow palette. I didn't expect to love this one because, again, purples, I don't really wear purple eyeshadow. But I mean, I love the taupe shades, or the one taupe shade. This is Camo. It was really pretty. And Spotlight. Those were the 2 I used the most in this palette. And actually, Applause I used a lot. Yeah, and I really like the packaging. I like this part of the packaging. It's so cool. Next we have an eyeshadow palette that sparks joy. Now, this one I really had to think, because it was like, I used to have an eyeshadow palette that was super colorful. It was huge, but I got rid of it because the lid broke. But and then I was thinking, oh wait, what was the first eyeshadow palette that I really, really wanted? It was the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. I mean, these eyeshadow palettes are, these eyeshadows are just unbelievable. Like, I absolutely loved Trick, Buzz, Limit, and Burnout when I first got this eyeshadow palette. It was amazing. And you can see, like, the first 2, Dust and Strange, I used up. And I think once I use all of these shades, I think I'm gonna replace it, or I can replace it earlier. But I don't know, I really like this palette. The newest eyeshadow palette in your collection. So I know this is a small eyeshadow thing. I guess it's considered an eyeshadow palette. So the Flower Beauty Petal Play eyeshadow palette, or eyeshadow quad, I should say. Like I said before, it's great for every day. I really like how you can see the shades. It's really awesome. Okay, first eyeshadow palette used in 2021 or 2022. So I don't remember what eyeshadow palette I used in 2022. I think I might have done like a New Year's Eve makeup look, maybe. So I think with this one, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. Now this is another one like this one and the Jaclyn Hill palette that I've heard a lot. I watched so many YouTube videos on YouTube, and they're like, I really want these palettes, and I finally got all 3, which is still like amazing. So I think there's another eyeshadow palette that's actually, or question that's 2 eyeshadow palettes. So this, so let's see. Rose Pink was like my favorite. You can tell that it's like almost gone. Burnt Orange and Orange Soda are the 2 shades that I love to use for blue eyes on me. Sienna, I haven't gotten into a lot, but I think I'm going to start using Sienna more. And Sultry. And same thing for Mulberry, I haven't used. And Dusty Rose is probably my favorite in the palette. It's so pretty. So that's that palette. Okay, here is the questions that I have just put into the tag. Okay, what is your oldest eyeshadow palette? Now, I don't know. I think it was either these 2. Maybe, I think these 3 are the oldest ones, but I think it might have been this one. Yeah, I think it might have been this one, because I remember going to Ulta. It was like in the, when you like walk in like the displays, it was there. It was the most expensive eyeshadow palette you own. Jaclyn Hill Morphe eyeshadow palette, I think, because everything else I either got at Walmart or, I mean, I got this one at Ulta. I can't remember where I got these two. Oh, Walmart was their most affordable eyeshadow palette. Probably this one. This is another Walmart purchase. Some of them were actually were purchased on Walmart.com. This one I actually picked up at Walmart. What is your favorite everyday eyeshadow palette? I don't know. I think I might have 3 eyeshadow palettes for everyday. So it would have to be, no, I have so many actually. I have 4. So the Soft Glam palette, the Naked 3 palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette, and the Flower Beauty eyeshadow quad. Those are the 4 favorite everyday eyeshadow palettes. Okay, last question actually. What is your most colorful eyeshadow palette? Okay, so this was another Walmart purchase. I think I showed it in some of my videos. It was like a huge eyeshadow palette. It had like 104 eyeshadows in it, but the lid broke off. And I wanted to see if Walmart still sold it, but they don't anymore, because it was just a huge eyeshadow palette and it had so many colorful shadows, but they don't sell it. It was so sad. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in my next video. Bye!